2021 +2 തല പരീക്ഷകൾ മാർച്ച് മാസത്തിൽ നടക്കേണ്ടിയിരുന്നത് കോവിഡിൻ്റെ പശ്ചാത്തലത്തിൽ ഏപ്രിൽ മാസത്തിൽ നടന്നു. അതിൽ ബയോളജി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ ബോട്ടണി ഭാഗത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ആൻസേഴ്സുമാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇത്തവണത്തെ ബയോളജി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൽ 60 മാർക്കിനുള്ള ബോട്ടണി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും 60 മാർക്കിനുള്ള സുവോളജി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിൽ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ആവശ്യം പോലെ എത്ര മാർക്കിൻ്റെ വേണമെങ്കിലും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. 3 സെക്ഷൻസായിട്ട് തിരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ പാർട്ടിൽ 7 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് 1 മാർക്കിൻ്റെ, രണ്ടാമത്തെ പാർട്ടിൽ 19 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് 2 മാർക്കിൻ്റെ, മൂന്നാമത്തെ പാർട്ടിൽ 3 മാർക്ക് വെച്ച് 5 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. മൊത്തം 31 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. ഒന്നാം പാർട്ടിലെ 7 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ചൂസ് ദി കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. ദി പ്ലാന്റ് വിച്ച് ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് ഓൺലി വൺസ് ഇൻ ദെയർ ലൈഫ് ടൈം. എ മാംഗോ, ബി ബാംബു, സി കോക്കനട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡി ജാക്ക് ഫ്രൂട്ട്. ആൻസർ ബാംബു. Question number 2, fill in the blank. During sexual reproduction, the process of syngamy results in the formation of a diploid cell called dash. Answer zygote. Third question, name the process of breeding crops for improved food quality. Answer is biofortification. Fourth question, choose the correctly matched pair from the following. A. Gel electrophoresis used to produce biological products in large quantity. B. Bioreactors, separation of DNA fragments. And C. PCR, amplification of genes. Answer is PCR, amplification of gene. Fifth question, observe the relationship between the first 2 terms and fill in the blank. Mycorrhizae mutualism lies on humans dash. Answer is parasitism. Sixth question, fill in the blank. A portion of embryonal axis above the level of cotyledons in dicot embryo is known as dash. Answer epicotyle. Question number 7, which of the following is a curative method of ADA deficiency? A. ELISA, B. Autoradiography, C. PCR, and D. Bone marrow transplantation. Answer is D. Bone marrow transplantation. Next section, each question from 8 to 26 carries 2 marks. 2 മാർക്കിൻ്റെ 19 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. Question number 8. Differentiate monoecious and dioecious plants with an example for both. Monoecious plants, plants with male and female flowers on the same plant. Example, coconut. Dioecious plants, plants where male and female flowers are on different plants. That is, there are male plants and female plants. Example, date palm. Question 9. EcoR1 is an example of restriction enzyme. List out the criteria for naming a restriction enzyme. Answer, EcoR1 isolated from Escherichia coli RY13. E, first letter of genus name Escherichia from which EcoR1 isolated. CO stands for first and second letter of species name of coli. R stands for name of strain of the bacterium RY13. I, the first restriction endonuclease isolated from that strain of bacterium. Question number 10. Expand MOET. Write its significance. Answer, MOET is multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. Significance, it is a quicker method for herd improvement used to improve chances of successful production of hybrids in animals like cattle, sheep, rabbits, buffaloes, mares, etc. High milk yielding breeds of female are used with high quality meat yielding bulls to produce herd size in short time. Question 11. Different stages of development in a dicot embryo are given below. Arrange them in the correct sequential order. Heart-shaped embryo, globular embryo, mature embryo, and pro-embryo. Answer, pro-embryo, globular embryo, heart-shaped embryo, and mature embryo. Question 12. Observe the diagram A and B given below. Identify the type of gametes. Explain the feature of gametes seen in diagram B. Answer. A is homogametes or isogametes. B is heterogametes. The figure B shows the heterogametes. Among them, one is bigger and oval in shape, usually known as ovum. The other one is elongated, motile and smaller, usually known as sperm. Question number 13. The females of placental mammals exhibit cyclical changes in the activities of ovaries and accessory ducts during the reproductive phase. Specify two types of cyclical changes present in these organisms with appropriate examples. 1. Estrus cycle. Example, non-primates like cattle, sheep, etc. And second type of cyclical changes is called menstrual cycle. Example, in primates, apes, monkeys and humans. Question number 14. Write any two critical research areas of biotechnology. Two areas of critical researches are genetic engineering and fermentation technology. Question number 15. What is biomagnification? Name any one chemical that causes biomagnification. Answer. The increase in concentration of the toxicant at a successive trophic level is called biomagnification. Example, mercury or DDT. DDT is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Question number 16. List any four reasons for deforestation. Answer. Deforestation is occurring due to human activities, conversion of forest to agricultural land, for timber, firewood and cattle ranching, for the construction of hydroelectric project, urbanization and industrialization, due to gem cultivation or slash and burn agriculture. ഏതെങ്കിലും 4 പോയിന്റ്സ് എഴുതുക. Question number 17. Fill in the blanks with appropriate symbols plus, minus or 0 or name of interaction. Column 1 indicates species A, column 2 indicates species B, column 3 indicates name of population interaction. Just observe the table. Answer. The first row indicates mutualism. So species A and species B, they are benefited each other so that both are in positive signs, plus, plus. Then second row indicates parasitism. One species A is benefited, species B is harmed, so that C indicates negative sign. The last row indicates species A is getting benefited, species B is neither benefited nor harmed. Such an interaction is called commensalism. So D dash is commensalism. Question number 18. What is the structural difference between proinsulin and mature functional insulin? Proinsulin is having A, B and C peptide chains. It is non-functional. But mature insulin is having A and B peptide chains only. It is functional. Question number 19. The diagram given below is E. coli cloning vector PBR322. Identify the selectable markers present in it. Explain the significance of ORI. The selectable markers in this cloning vector are AMPR and TETR. ORI is origin of replication. It is the sequence of bases in the DNA from where the replication starts. When any piece of alien DNA is linked to this sequence, alien DNA will replicate within the host cells. ORI is also responsible for controlling the copy number of linked DNA. Question number 20. State the important steps in decomposition. Answer. The steps in decomposition are fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humification, and mineralization. Question number 21. Write 4 peculiarities of insect-pollinated flowers. Answer. Characteristic features of entomophilous or insect-pollinated flowers are: flowers are large, colorful for attracting the insects. They produce rich nectar. They commonly produce fragrance. It may be pleasant, as in jasmine, rose, etc., or foul, as in Rafflesia, Aristolochia, etc. The flowers pollinated by flies and beetles secrete foul odors to attract animals. When the flowers are small, a number of flowers are clustered into an inflorescence and become conspicuous. Example, sunflower, dahlia. The pollen grains are usually sticky and spiny. They supply food to the insects in the form of honey or pollen grains. Stigma becomes sticky in nature. Question number 22. Banana is a parthenocarpic fruit. What are the parthenocarpic fruits? How can parthenocarpy be induced? Answer. Fruits which are formed without fertilization are called parthenocarpic fruits. It can be induced by applying plant hormones like auxins. 23. Self-incompatibility is an outbreeding mechanism seen in plants. Explain self-incompatibility. Answer. This is the genetic mechanism which prevents self-pollen from the same flower or other flowers of the same plant from fertilizing the ovules by inhibiting pollen germination or pollen tube growth in the pistil. This is also called self-sterility. Question 24. Based on the nature of habitat, succession of plants may be hierarch or hierarch. A. Which is the pioneer community in hierarch succession? B. Explain hierarch succession. Answer. A. Lichens are the pioneer community in hierarch succession. B. Plant successions which takes place in water or very wet area and the successional series progress from hydric wet to the mesic condition or medium water condition is called hierarch succession. Question number 25. Organisms belonging to different trophic levels are listed below. Arrange the organisms under appropriate headings in the table provided. Terms are man, phytoplankton, fish, zooplankton. The table shows first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, and fourth trophic level. Answer. Phytoplankton is the first trophic level, then zooplankton, then third trophic level is fish, and the fourth trophic level is man. ഏതെങ്കിലും 4 characters എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. Question 26. Catalytic converters are fitted in automobiles for reducing emission of poisonous gases. A. Name the catalyst used in catalytic converters. B. What happens to the automobile exhaust when it passes through catalytic converters? Answer. The catalysts used in catalytic converters are platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Answer to B question. When the automobile exhaust passes through the catalytic converter, the unburned hydrocarbons are converted into carbon dioxide and water, and carbon monoxide changed into carbon dioxide, and nitric oxide is converted into nitrogen gases. You can observe the equation given below. അടുത്തതായി 3 മാർക്കിൻ്റെ 5 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ അടങ്ങുന്ന ഭാഗം. Question 27. The 4 basic processes that affect the population density are given below. Natality, mortality, emigration, and immigration. Which of the 2 processes contribute to a decrease in population density and explain them? Mortality and emigration are the two processes that contribute to a decrease in the population density. Explanation. Mortality is the number of deaths in the population in a given period. It causes to decrease the population density. Emigration is the number of individuals of the population who left the habitat during a given period. This also causes decrease in the population density. Question number 28. Bt cotton is a transgenic plant with insecticidal protein named Bt toxin. A. Name the specific gene which produces Bt toxin. B. Name the organism from which this gene is isolated. C. Explain the mechanism behind the insect resistance in Bt cotton. Answer. A. The specific gene which produces Bt toxin is Cry gene or crystal gene. Answer to B part. The organism from which this gene is isolated is Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacterium. The mechanism behind the insect resistance in Bt cotton. Bacillus thuringiensis produce protein crystals called insecticidal protein. Inside the bacteria, insecticidal protein is present as inactive protoxin, so it does not kill the Bacillus thuringiensis bacterium. When the protein is ingested by the insect, it gets converted into active toxin due to alkaline pH of the insect gut, which solubilize the protein crystals. The activated toxin binds to the epithelial cells of midgut of insect. It creates pores and causes cells swelling and lysis, eventually leading to the death of insects. Question 29. A typical microsporangium is surrounded by 4 wall layers. Name the wall layers and state the function of the innermost wall layer. Answer. Anther wall is consisting of 4 wall layers. They are epidermis, endothelium, middle layers and tapetum. Tapetum is the innermost wall layer. It is the nutritive tissue which surrounds this porogenous tissue and nourishes the developing pollen grains. Question number 30. Different steps in rDNA technology are given below. Arrange them in correct sequential order. The steps are A. Ligation of DNA into a vector. B. Culturing of host cells in a media at large scale. C. Isolation of DNA. D. Transferring the rDNA into the host. E. Fragmentation of DNA. F. Isolation of desired DNA fragment. Answer. 1. C. Isolation of DNA. 2. E. Fragmentation of DNA. 3. F. Isolation of desired DNA fragment. 4. A. Ligation of DNA fragment into a vector. 5. D. Transferring the DNA into the host. 6. B. Culturing of host cells in a medium at large scale. Question number 31. Dairying is the management of animals for milk and its products for human consumption. List out various management measures that should be undertaken for a successful management of dairy farm. Answer. A good dairy farm management includes following. Selection of good quality of breeds having high yielding potential and resistance to diseases. They have to be housed well, provide adequate water, maintain disease-free area. Feeding of cattle should be carried out in a scientific manner with a good quality and quantity of fodder. Hygiene is ensured while milking, storage and transport of milk and its products by mechanization. It reduces direct contact of the produce with the handler. Regular inspection along with keeping proper records. Regular visits by a veterinary doctor would be mandatory for checking the health status of animals. ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും 3 പോയിന്റ്സ് എഴുതിയാൽ മതിയാകും. ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതിയതുമായി താരതമ്യപ്പെടുത്തി എത്ര സ്കോർ കിട്ടുമെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നെ തീരുമാനിക്കാം. താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്. Subscribe Taju's Science World for more videos.